A very good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. And children, send your homework regularly. There are so many students, they are sending their homework regularly, but few are there, they are not sending their homework regularly. So I insist you all to send your homework regularly, then only I will come to know that you are doing your studies at home. So children, in the previous classes, we have discussed about English literature chapter 1 and 2. We have finished that. Also, we have completed from the English grammar chapter 1 and 2. The first chapter was the alphabetical order of words and the second chapter was the sentence. So today we are again going to discuss from the English grammar chapter 3. What is the name of the chapter 3? Look at your book, everyone. Kinds of sentences. What is the name of the chapter 3? Kinds of sentences. वाक्यों का प्रकार. Okay. So in the second chapter we have learned that what is a sentence. Yes, children. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. What is a sentence? Repeat with me. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the different kinds of sentences. Okay, children? So there are 4 different kinds of sentences. How many different kinds of sentences are there? 4 different kinds of sentences. The first one is declarative or assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentence, and the third is imperative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Again, you all read along with me. What is the first one? Declarative or assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. So today's class we are only going to discuss about the assertive or declarative sentence and an interrogative sentence. हम आज के क्लास में सिर्फ assertive sentence और declarative sentence के बारे में और interrogative के sentence के बारे में ही discuss करेंगे. Remaining 2 sentences we will be discussing on the next class. Okay, children. So, what is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence क्या है? A sentence which says something is called a declarative or an assertive sentence. A sentence which says something. Okay? एक sentence आपको कुछ बताता है. Yes? It means I'm a good girl, I'm a good boy, I have a toy. These all are the simple sentences. Okay? Which says something to you. In Hindi we say that declarative sentence is कथनात्मक वाक्य. Okay? So, a sentence which says something is called a declarative sentence. Now, a declarative sentence can be positive sentence or negative sentence. Declarative sentence को हम 2 भाग में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, positive sentence and negative sentence. Now, what is a positive sentence and what is a negative sentence? सकारात्मक वाक्य and नकारात्मक वाक्य. So what is a positive sentence? A sentence which expresses yes sense is called positive sentence. एक वाक्य जिसके अंदर no, not, never, nothing, nobody ऐसे जो no से रिलेटेड शब्द नहीं होंगे आपको पॉजिटिव सेंस देते हैं. That's what positive sentence. Okay, children. Example: I am a good girl. I am a good boy. So these are positive sentence. इस सेंटेंस में आपको कोई नेगेटिव शब्द नहीं मिल रहा है. Now next is what is a negative sentence? A negative sentence which expresses no sense. Okay? It means उस सेंटेंस के अंदर आपको no, not, never, nobody, nothing इनसे रिलेटेड किसी ना किसी एक वर्ड आपको जरूर मिलेगा. Example: I'm not a good boy. So the word not is there. I'm not a good girl. I have no pen. Okay? So these are the examples of negative sentences. Now we have to learn one more thing. How to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. हमें एक और बात सीखना है इस चैप्टर में किस प्रकार से एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में बदलना है, ओके, विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स मीनिंग, उसका मीनिंग ना बदलते हुए हमें उसे पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में बदलना है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. लिसन हियर केयरफुली. डोंट लुक एट योर बुक, लुक एट मी. ओके, there are helping verbs and modal verbs. As helping verbs such as is, am, are, was, were. Okay, these are the different helping verbs, and the modal verbs such as can, could, may, will, would. Okay, can, could, may, will, would. These are the different kinds of modal verbs. Now listen carefully. Right after the helping verb and the modal verb, you have to just write not or no. Then it will be changing as negative sentence. Example I will give you. He can run very fast. इस सेंटेंस में can is the modal verb. उसके आगे आपको क्या लगाना है? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है तो not लगाना है. तो वो किस में बदल जाएगा? नेगेटिव में. So how will be the sentence? He cannot run very fast. One more example. It is cloudy. So in this sentence, which is the helping verb? Is. Okay. So how will you change it as a negative sentence? Is के आगे आपको क्या लगाना है? Not लगाना है. So let's do this. It is not cloudy. So that turned as negative sentence. Is it easy? बहुत आसान है ना, पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव में करना. लेकिन एक और एग्जाम्पल मैं आपकी एक्सरसाइज से बताना चाहती हूँ, उसे ध्यान से सुनना, उस केसेस को आपको ध्यान से फॉलो भी करना है. वन एग्जाम्पल इज दैट इन द पेज नंबर 15, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, I eat mangoes daily. I eat mangoes daily. Here, is there any helping verb or modal verb? इसमें कोई helping verb और modal verb है क्या? No. In this case, how will you do that? You have to understand that eat is the main verb, okay, in the present tense. So it will be changing as the basic form of eat is do plus eat. So do is your helping verb and eat is the main verb. So when you are changing this verb into the negative, you have to write I do not eat mango daily. Okay, once again, I do not eat mangoes daily. If you are writing I eat not mangoes daily, then it will be a wrong sentence. Once again, let me repeat. In the simple present tense, if you are getting a sentence, I eat mangoes daily, and another sentence, she eats mangoes daily. So here eat is the verb and here eats is the verb. So you have to split into the basic form. Okay, eat को आप split करोगे do plus eat, eat को आप split करोगे does plus eat. Once again, eat को आपको split करना है do plus eat, eats को करना है does plus eat. Okay children, now when you करोगे do और does जो helping verb लगाया है उसके आगे आपको लगाना है. Example, I eat mangoes daily, I do not eat mangoes daily. She eats mangoes daily, she eats को हमने split किया does plus eat, so she does not eat mangoes daily. Is that clear children? Okay, now next let's go with the interrogative sentence. Okay, and one more thing, our declarative sentence always begins with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop. This also you have to keep in your mind. Next, let's go with an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence in Hindi we can say that प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. Okay, so what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question. यदि एक sentence कुछ questions पूछता है, that comes under an interrogative sentence. Example, how are you? What's your name? Where are you going? Okay, these all comes under interrogative sentences. It always ends with a question mark. So interrogative sentence को आप कैसे पहचानोगे? How will you identify an interrogative sentence? It will always end with a question mark. Okay, children, there are some of the examples given downside. We'll just go for that, then you'll be understanding it. Examples: are you crying? How are you? Okay, these are the examples. Now, remember some of the things when you are changing a positive sentence into an interrogative sentence. हमने डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस में पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाया, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस दिया जाता है, उसको आप किस तरह से क्वेश्चन में बनाओगे. एग्जाम्पल: आई एम अ गर्ल. इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा है? एम. ओके, तो एम को आके आपको सबसे पहले लगाना है सेंटेंस का. एम आई अ गर्ल. हाउ विल यू आस्क? एम आई अ गर्ल. तो जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मॉडल वर्ब एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में होगा, उसको आपको सेंटेंस के आगे शुरुआत में लगा के फाइनली क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाने से आपका पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में बदल जाएगा. if you have to change the positive sentence into an interrogative sentence, how will you do that? You have to change the position of the helping verb and the modal verb. Okay, the helping verbs and modal verbs in a sentence you have to write in the beginning of the sentence, and the remaining part will be the same. Okay, शुरुआत में helping verb और modal verbs लिखोगे, remaining जितने भी parts है वो same रहेगा. Finally you have to put a question mark. Is that clear? This way you can change a positive sentence into an interrogative sentence. Now next, listen carefully some of the examples. He can run. In this sentence, can is the modal verb. So how will you change this sentence into a question interrogative sentence? How will you change this sentence into an interrogative sentence? Can he run? Okay. Next, this is a sponge cake. Okay. The question is, this is a sponge cake. Now you have to change this into an interrogative sentence. How will you change? Is this a sponge cake? They're asking. So is जो helping verb हो पहले आ गया. So in this way you have to do the exercise A, B, C. Okay. For you, 3 exercises are for your homework today. Exercise A from page number 14, exercise B and exercise C, page number 15. Children, when you are doing this exercise, you do by yourself. आप खुद से करें, फिर आंसर की के साथ मैच करें, ताकि आपको और एंश्योर हो जाए आपने क्या लर्न किया है. Okay? So listen carefully. When you do it by yourself first, then you can compare with the answer key 5. And in the interrogative sentence, one more thing, that which, have or has, add, do, does, did in the beginning of the sentence. यदि एक सेंटेंस में आपको दिया गया कामना हैज अ डॉल, इसको आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में बदलना है. कैसे बदलोगे? हैव को आप क्या करोगे? डस प्लस हैव में करोगे, फिर उसको क्वेश्चन बनाओगे. जैसे हमने पहले पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में चेंज किया, सेम रूल यहाँ पर भी है. कामना हैज अ डॉल. So when you're changing, does Kamna have a doll? Okay. Interrogative sentence with have or have, add, do, does, did in the beginning of the sentence. Interrogative sentence में have और has होगा, तो आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है, तो do, does, did उसके आगे लगाओगे. Is that clear, everyone? Did you all understand what is a declarative sentence and what is an interrogative sentence and how to change it? Now let's come to the page number 14, exercise A. The girls are dancing. You have to tick the declarative sentence and you have to cross the remaining sentences. The girls are dancing. It starts with a capital letter and ending with a full stop, and it gives you the complete meaning. So that is a declarative sentence. So in the same way you have to do the remaining thing. Now come to the B exercise. Is talking about turn the following sentences into negative sentences. कुछ positive sentences दिया गया है, आपको उन्हें negative sentence में बदलना है. First, I eat mangoes daily. Already ma'am have explained this example. I do not eat mangoes daily. Second, this is a good idea. So is this a helping verb? This is not a good idea. Third, you have to do this homework. And the next thing, Rewrite the sentences by turning them into questions. There are positive sentences given there. You have to rewrite it as interrogative sentences. That is a small tree. So helping verb सबसे पहले आएगा. So how will you change? Is that a small tree? Okay. He will chop these vegetables. He will chop these vegetables. Will he chop these vegetables? Did you all get? So in the same way, you have to finish this exercise also. And I hope that you all understood it. And if you have any doubts, you may ask in the query group. And do your homework regularly, and you have to send it to me regularly. Then only you will get the attendance. Next, the remaining imperative sentence and an exclamative sentence we will be discussing on the next class. Take care, children. Stay home.